Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover top 60 farmhouse living room interior design ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. At one time or another, everyone dreams of owning a 100-year-old farmhouse with shiplap walls and a big wraparound porch. The nostalgia and comfort invoked by farmhouse decor are almost universally appealing. Unsurprisingly, it has increased in popularity in recent years, and the neutral colors and inclusion of rustic antiques make it an easy-to-live-with style. One of the keys to creating the perfect farmhouse living room is finding the right furniture. Casual and comfortable couches, rough-hewn barn-wood coffee tables, and natural decor elements typify the look. Since purchasing a whole new furniture set may be outside of your budget, making use of organically colored cotton or linen slipcovers, a few French country-inspired pillows, and thrift store finds can go a long way towards altering your living room's look. But even if you currently live in an urban apartment, you can still create a cozy country farmhouse feel in your own home by including rustic antiques in a simple color palette. Consider adding blue to your neutral palette. Both light and dark shades will look beautiful. Other beautiful accent pieces could have a boat line used as trim, seashells, sea glass, or a round mirror with a porthole-inspired frame. The hallmark of a classic farmhouse rustic living room is plaid. It could be plaid furniture, a pillow, curtains, or a blanket, but it's somewhere. Another common element is warmth. This could be a fireplace, lanterns hung on the wall, or several candles placed throughout the room. You could even hang a chandelier with light bulbs that look like candles. Finally, you need to create a cozy environment. Place several plush pillows on the couch. Then select a thick and oversized throw blanket. A classic farmhouse looks like it's used and lived in. Place the furniture to help people gather together and converse around a central spot. Look for fabrics that are neutral colors of white, cream, and tan for the couch. Then liven the decor up with accent chairs that are in a pattern of plaid or floral. If you already own furniture and aren't looking to buy new, then a simple slipcover can solve your problem. A fireplace is the perfect room element to complete your farmhouse look. If you have a real fireplace, outfit it with firewood, a basket for spare wood, and the tools you need to stoke a fire. Then accent the mantel above with a deer head, your TV, boxwood wreath, seasonal produce, or florals. Another option is to create a faux fireplace. You can create the surround and mantel with a small alcove. Fill the space with candles or chopped logs. Don't forget the hearth around the front of the fireplace. This is a perfect place to keep a basket with extra pillows and blankets. Or you could have a clay water pitcher or metal basin that you place flowers in. Try to keep the flowers seasonal. Unless you're going for a really rustic living room, don't go overboard. Visit a salvage or antique shop and look for architectural pieces. These are the perfect vintage accent piece to mount on the wall or place on a shelf. Another popular choice is vintage mirrors and shutters. Then look for a container that you can turn into a planter for your fresh greens or flowers. Your farmhouse living room should be the place where the family gathers for comfort and relaxation. Throw pillows and a blanket are a perfect way to create a space where everyone wants to snuggle in. The other must-have is a rug that covers the entire space. It needs to be large enough to connect all of the furniture. It will take the echo and chill out of the room. A traditional rug that's lighter or in neutral colors will look nice. If you love the look of neutral colors, then French country is the ideal farmhouse look for your home. To achieve this look, you'll use neutral furniture paired with a neutral color scheme. Your natural fabrics can create a cozy atmosphere. This includes lace, linen, and burlap. The centerpiece of your farmhouse living room decor should be a large comfy sofa. This is the place where your family can curl up and gather together. Look for a large couch that can seat several people. Don't buy a couch that's too large that will overwhelm the room. You can buy a plush couch in several sizes, so look for one that is proportional to the room. It should be at least 7 feet from your TV. This will give you a quality viewing experience and plenty of room to place a coffee table in front of. If you like the farmhouse living room interior design ideas, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Thank you. Have a peaceful day ahead.